me, come find out. One more time, stop trying to read my mind. I'm not